That was my motivation. That was my message. Okay,
Nice.
I
Yeah.
can do this. I can go forward. And yeah, from there, everything changed.
And I was a lucky guy to hire him. This was great. Thanks for sharing. That's cool. Yeah.
Thank you, Robert. I mean,
I think a
you
lot of
are
people.
super focused. This is, an interview where we are talking about one side, but I don't know if people know about you or not. Robert, whoever is seeing here, Robert is also, very focused on one of the most sharpest mind in the e-learning space that I can vouch for after working with many clients, right? I can vouch for that fact. There is not many people currently in the e-learning space as sharp and as dedicated as Robert is.
Thank you, Shibs. Coming from you, that means a lot. That's a hell of a nice compliment. Thank you. Thank you. I just try hard.
You never give up. You never give up.
I
And I
don't.
mean, that's the reason for your success. You never give up, Robert.
Yeah. Yeah, I suppose that might be true. Thank you. That was very kind. Nice surprise.